Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Twin Flame Inner Union 48. I am helping twin flames in inner work and reunion process. Today's topic is it possible to replace divine masculine? If you do so, what will happen? If you want personal guidance, inner work classes, meditation classes, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Okay, coming to the topic. Non-spiritual people are mentally unstable, like feminine counterpart. Any person with divinity is not going to make a relationship, marriage or friendship with them, because highly spiritual person comes in this earth with partner. They are not going to exchange energy with anyone randomly. Unawakened souls are full of lust, so they are ready to exchange energy, like through conversation or intimacy with anyone. They want to explore without knowing about energy exchange and their effects. So, this is obvious that if you are not awakened, a normal person with lots of toxicity will come to your timeline to give and take lessons. In this process, every single person who are energetically connected with you and your partner, like parents, children, relatives, will hurt too much. Only divine soul can separate themselves from society drama. They will not participate although they are sharing same accommodation. So, this is obvious that two non-spiritual persons cannot fulfill each other, and after some kind of social drama they will get separate, or they will blame each other for lifetime and create new karma which they will carry forward towards next birth. So, a person without spiritual knowledge will face only emotional breakdown in their day-to-day life. Divine masculine has that power to separate themselves from this drama. So they choose third party to awaken divine feminine and clear their own karma silently. Divine feminine takes time to understand the reality and try to make relationships like 3D world. So, as I say before, negative energy invites negative energy. So, any other divine souls are not going to choose you, because awakened person can see the reality. It is better for divine feminine to start inner work as soon as possible, so that they can avoid unnecessary heartbreak and damages, because damage is good for anyone's spiritual awakening, but too much damage can destroy you permanently. Divine masculines choose not to pair up with divine feminine because they want your best, and during spiritual awakening it is best to stay separate. If a divine feminine is fully awakened and masculine is taking time and too much young, it is best for you both to give some space, because if someone is fully divine, they cannot stay with a negative person. So, suggestion is to give some space and focus on your own growth. So, summary of the video is, life partner you cannot get by choice. It's not available in nearby grocery shop or supermarket. You have to become eligible and worthy to reunite with your own counterpart. Otherwise, you will meet up only karmics throughout your lifetime. It will be a waste of time. I hope this video is going to help you. If you have any queries regarding this video, please leave a comment below. See you soon with another video.